Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, welcome to English Corner. I am Alicia with my friends Sasa and Saras. Thanks for being here guys. We are very happy to be here with you today.
I'm very excited to share some tips to all of you.
Let's learn some fun ways to improve our English.
First, let's talk about why learning English is important. English can help us read books, watch movies, and talk to people from other countries.
And it's very useful for school and daily lives.
Now, here are some tips to be good at English. Tip number 1. Practice every day. Even a few minutes can help you improve your English.
Tip number 2. Listen to English. You can listen to songs, stories, or watch cartoons in English. It helps your listening and pronunciation.
Tip number 3. Speak English with your friends. Do not worry about making mistakes. Speak help you get better at English.
Tip number 4. Read in English. Start with simple books or studies, then try harder ones. Reading helps you learn new words.
Tip number 5. Write a little every day. You can write about your day, your hobby, or your favorite animal. Writing helps you remember what you learned.
These tips are easy to follow, but the most important thing is to practice regularly.
Yes, if we try every day, our English will get better little by little.
And learning English can be fun too. Don't forget to enjoy it.
Thanks for watching to our podcast today. We hope you can try these tips and get better at English.
Remember, listen, speak, read, and write every day.
Yes, keep learning and have fun with English. Thank you.